Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. So we're going to get right into it, y'all. And y'all know the deal. We're going to do a general message. And I just go off the dom. Like, I read the cards and go off the dom. And sometimes spirit will... Moon's doing it again, y'all. I swear to God, every time I get on camera, my little fur baby starts running literally a ruckus around this house. Anywho, let's get to the cards, y'all. Let's get to the cards. All right. My divine counterparts, please come with me and help me give a general spiritual message to whoever it resonates with in real time, child. I hope y'all doing good. I had a wonderful day. I always have a wonderful day. Although I am still like the divine is still healing me and teaching me its secrets and things like that. And honey child. Little side note. So what I'm realizing is the divine has given me a foundation that I'm 25 years old. For a 25-year-old to be running such a foundation, I got people gagging. I got these people gagging. So like, how in the hell is she running such a humongous ecosystem? Well, that's because I was made for this, honey. Anywho, let's get to the reading, child. Let's get to the reading, child. That's because I was made for it, honey. Yes. Let's get to the reading, child. Just gonna go through it one time. Whatever comes out, comes out. Whatever stays in the deck, stays in the deck. At the end is Seven of Swords. Y'all, some of y'all need to stay away from people that are stealing your energies. The divine has asked you countless of time to let go of these friends. They're not your friends. They're stealing your energy. Let me tell you something. A true friendship is a friendship that has morals, values. We're coming together to build and cultivate. Not coming together to kiki, laugh at people, talk about people, and fuck niggas and get money. That is not divine. That is not divine. Divinity is saying, oh wow, you my soul sister, you my soul brother. Let's connect the blessings that the divine has given us, right? Arm to arm, pillar to pillar. Let's connect our blessings and let's build a village. That's divine. That's divine. Anyways, so, like I'm saying, you're the Nine of Pentacles. So whoever you resonate with me. Like, we right here with it. We right here with it. So you and your Nine of Pentacles energy, you're manifesting. The divine is showing you its secrets. Your foundation is looking lovely. Your leaves are healthy. Your fruit is juicy and ripe. And it's your time. It's your time. See, she's the butterfly. She's just sitting in her little kingdom. Ah! Don't we just love the divine for the kingdoms? For the kingdoms that it's able to supply us and give us. Don't we just love the divine? But yeah, whoever you are, you're in your kingdom. You are at peace. You and your fur baby. As soon as I say fur baby, my fur baby walks past. Come on, Synchronous. Come on, Syncs. Thank you, my Mooney. And then he wants to play Moon. I am reading right now. But yeah, not only, oh, I missed it. There's two more butterflies. So you are just ladybug. There's a ladybug, there's flowers, there's pentacles. And she's the Nine of Pentacles. Wow, I love this for you. I love this for you. Yeah, so you are just really manifesting at this time. And everything that you're dreaming about, it's coming towards you. But y'all, we got to understand to have patience with the divine. Because things don't happen overnight. It's a lot of cultivating. It's a lot of work. See, when, especially people like us that are on this spiritual journey, right? Let's just take a little second and talk. Especially people that are on this little spiritual journey. A lot of the things that dreams, right? Let's say I have a dream and nobody in my family has ever had that dream. Well, it's going to be a lot. You know, not even like a lot. It's going to take a lot for me to accomplish that dream. It ain't just going to happen like this. And we got to understand that so that we can give the divine leeway and room to teach us, to prune us, so that we're ready to go out. We can go anywhere and somebody's just not going to come up to us and throw us off our balance, throw us off our foundation. You know? That's why it's so important to really sit back and just have patience. A lot of people don't have patience for their dreams. Hey, I'm kind of, sometimes I'm one of them. So I'm also talking out of resonance. Next, we have the Four of Swords. I'm hearing your exes, the people that came into your life to destruct you or try to take away from you. They are going through a hardship right now because you know your worth. I think I did a reading where I said that your lights are on. So let's say you're a Christmas tree. All your lights are on and everybody that knew you, that was leeching off you, can see. So now they only saw what you were before. But now that they're looking at you, they're like, damn, this bitch done leveled up times 3. They're like, I don't mean to say this bitch, but they're like, it's no stopping her at this point. It's no stopping you. Yeah. They're in disarray. They're in disarray. Because justice has come for you. Justice has come for you. It's your time. You're no longer going through the hardships that you were going through. The divine is literally cleaning you up for such a time as this. I have a little rap where I was like, ain't no Gotti, nobody infiltrating in my fort. I'm the GOAT, and yes, I know that I really am a star. When I say Gotti, I mean because, you know, you have all these people that have God mentality and feel like, oh, who does she think she is? We could just infiltrate and take her shit. No, you cannot. Over my dead body. You're going to have to kill me first. And you can't even do that because you know what's coming for you. An eye for an eye. Justice is here for you, baby. I'm hearing your ancestors will go ham for you. And they're going ham for you right now. Anybody that tries to infiltrate your fort, bitch, sucked up into a little vacuum. And they're losing so much energy trying to attack you. They're losing instead of gaining because they're not doing it the right. They're supposed to sow into your dreams, sow into you. Because by sowing into you, your ancestors go to them and water their plants. Because whoever you are an abundant person. So you have hella water. You have water from worlds that have not even walked this earth yet. You're not of this world. And your enemies know that. The moon card is next. Okay, so all deception, you're getting rid of all types of deceptive energies. And you're no longer inviting these energies into your life. Let's just say you understood the assignment. Count yourself blessed. Because a lot of people, right, they come up with the wrong people. They come up with the wrong people. They come up with jealous people just for the sake of having people around them. But no, you were smart enough to cut off the people that would have done you like that bitch did Selena. Let that really sink in. Let that really sink in. You cut off anybody that would have done you like that woman did Selena. Wow. Enemies are fighting with themselves now. People made deals on your abundance, on your intellectual property. Some people were there when you graduated. Now that's deep. What I'm saying right there is really deep. There's some people that go to college, and there's some people that go to the school of elm knowledge. Huge difference. And I'm not saying nothing's bad about going to college. Like, do you, sis? Do you, bro? I, for one, didn't have that access. So I went to the school of elm knowledge. Which, like I said, which to a lot of people would be like, what the fuck is she doing? Some people know exactly what I'm talking about. Because even some people go to college, right? And not only are they going to college, but simultaneously, even when they are in college, they're going to the school of elm knowledge as well. Because a lot of people join sororities and all types of brotherhoods and sisterhoods. I think the divine was saving me from joining any type of brotherhood, any type of sisterhood, because I am a founder of one. So are you. You're a leader, not a follower. Leaders are very rare. Very rare. The divine got your back, girl. Child. Yeah. Eight of Swords. It's almost like you're blindfolded, right? And you're on this journey. But you're not really blind because you can see clearly what's going on. But to you, you feel blind because this is all new to you. It's like you went to Hogwarts. You know how Harry Potter, right, went to Hogwarts and, oh, that was, bro, that's exactly that's the same depiction. And his stepbrother went to a regular college, but he got accepted to Hogwarts. There's a difference. You got this. And look at all these swords around her, all this protection. You're the damsel in distress, but you're not in this story. It's given Snow White and the 12 doors. So how many doors that you got surrounding you, honey? Next, we have 9 of Wands, and that's the Wounded Warrior. I'm telling you, you don't even look like the same person to these people. You have totally transformed into a new person with a sound mind, and it's like everything you speak is the truth. It's truth. They're like, damn, we should have had her on our team. But now it's like, because they were attacking you behind the scenes, how do they even come to you and ask for divine help? How do they even do that? They've been looking down on you. They didn't expect the one they were looking down on to rise above all of them. They thought they were gods. Ain't no goddy, nobody infiltrating in my fort. Yes. I love to hear it and I love to see it. They're wounded. They know in order to be a part of your life, they have to bend the knee, either bend the knee or apologize for what they did. But that means they would have to, you're the high priestess. So guess what they do to guess what high priestess and high priest are for? Confessions. They got to confess to you. Kind of like in the Beyonce and Jay-Z video Family Feud, when Jay-Z was in the confessional and Beyonce was playing the high priestess. Yeah. Yes. Yup. Pretty much. Next we have King of Swords. Wait, is that King? No, King of Wands. Where did I get King of Swords from? I'm looking around like, is this somewhere around? Well, did I say that? Yeah, you're sitting up high. Look, this man is sitting in midair, suspended in midair above the trees. I'm hearing Kabbalah. I'm hearing you have Kabbalah roots. Do your research on what that would mean to you. You see, me through my me waking up, it's already been embedded in me. It's already been in my DNA. So it wasn't too hard for me to put it together. Because I see symbols and signs, and certain symbols scream to me, right? So connecting the dots happened very quickly for me. And probably for you too. If not, just do your research. But you're on the right path. It's so funny, I just said the Kabbalah tree of life, right? Next here we have 7 of Pentacles. And in the beginning, I said your tree, your leaves are healthy. Your fruit is ripe. And we got some goats in the back. We got like 3 goats in the back. This is beautiful. I'm happy for you. This is gorgeous. Keep going, whoever you're. You're on the right track. And ain't nobody gonna tell you why, because they want what you have. They're connected. They're connected to, they're already connected to interconnected webs, right? So because they're already connected to interconnected webs, it's like they want to leave whatever they're connected to and come to you. But the divine is like, hell no. Oh no, you won't. Oh no, you can't. Next you have Page of Wands. You're onto a new leaf. Oh my God, I keep talking about leaves. You're onto a new page. But I keep talking about leaves and fruit. Look, I just spoke about that. Less than 2 minutes ago. This is all just clarifying that you're on the right path. So thank you so much. Like and share my videos. To whoever is on this, whoever is on this journey, if you think one of your friends is on this journey, if you're on this journey, please subscribe so I can keep coming with these videos. Help my channel grow, y'all. Love y'all. See you soon.